Potato chips are a snack that became popular in the United States in the 19th century. Lay's potato chips were first sold in 1932. Nowadays, potato chips are enjoyed all over the world and have become a staple at every party. In this video, we visit the Frito-Lay production plant and explain how the popular Lay's potato chips are made. Fritos and Lay's went from being competitors to becoming partners, forming the Frito-Lay company in 1961. After 4 years, the company merged with Pepsi-Cola to create PepsiCo. This factory is one of the largest and most advanced in Europe, with the capacity to produce up to 4 tons of potato chips per hour. Every day, they receive more than 750 tons of potatoes, which are processed on 4 production lines to obtain delicious potato chips. PepsiCo is one of the largest buyers of potatoes, acquiring approximately 240,000 tons of potatoes each year. The potatoes are continuously processed, eliminating the need for storage. After growing and maturing for 120 days, the potatoes need a bath before embarking on their journey. Washing and sorting are carried out at the farmers' facilities. Lay's potato chips are made from high-quality potatoes, and the company provides its partners with the necessary technical knowledge and tools to cultivate the best potatoes. The potatoes are then transferred to a washing station, where water acts as a transmission agent to remove dirt and any foreign material. The water used in the process is reused. It's time to peel the potatoes. Once the necessary quantity is weighed, the potatoes are transferred to the peeling machine. The drum walls are covered with an abrasive surface over which the potatoes move, removing the thin layer of potato skin while preserving the nutritional values found directly under the skin. The peeled potatoes are transported to a quality control station, where a state-of-the-art machine rejects products with visible defects, such as dark spots or bruises, which could affect the final appearance of the potato chips. The selected potatoes are taken to the cutting heads, where special flat or weighty blades cut the potatoes with great precision, up to 1/100 of a millimeter, ensuring a uniform frying and the desired texture of the potato chips. The factory produces 5 types of potato chips in more than 40 different flavors. Subsequently, the potatoes are dried and transported to the potato frying machine, where they are fried in a hot sunflower oil mixture. The potato chip fryer has a state-of-the-art quality control mechanism that photographs each potato chip, ensuring they meet the highest quality standards. The potato chips are lightly salted for the best flavor. Later, they are seasoned with natural spice blends, including chili and pepper. A few rotations in a special drum are enough to ensure the potato chips are well coated with seasoning, as the potatoes are hot, and the seasoning easily adheres from the drum. The potato chips are transported to the packaging line, where they are weighed and placed into bags using packaging film rolls. Computer-controlled dosing units move the potato chips from the trays so that the actual weight of the package matches the value indicated on the packaging. Then, the package is sealed with heat at the top and cut. It takes 3 kilograms of potatoes to produce 1 kilogram of potato chips. This plant produces 100 million bags of potato chips each year. The ready packages are placed in cardboard boxes, and one of the autonomous robots is responsible for stacking the boxes onto pallets. The product is then moved to the storage area, and over 100 trucks carrying potato chips leave the PepsiCo plant every day to be delivered to customers throughout Europe. Now, they are ready for you to enjoy at home. What are your favorite potato chips? Leave your opinion in the comments. Like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel and activate the notifications to keep learning.